walks backward and mirrors weep. I stood with fire stitched into my veins, a crownless mage bound by shadow chains. My mirror moves when I do not. It bleeds the truths I long forgot. The queen in silk of blood and smoke, her voice a spell that never spoke. She asked for stars inside a stone, two unborn sons and a cradle alone. A coin to pay the price of breath, a letter sealed with frozen death, a gate that waits with mouth agape, to birth a god or take escape. We lit the flame but found no door. The mirror cracks became a war. I turned to glass, I turned to flame. She smiled and still forgot my name. As cat I crept through sorcerer's halls, his laughter crawled along the walls. He saw me mask in fur and sin, and drew the storm I held within. My mirror screamed, it did not lie. I am the one who must not try. It wept for me when I returned. My queen, my shame, the fire burned. We lit the